Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix your 0% clean air problem with your Shark Air Purifier. So let's get started. First, unplug the purifier for safety and locate the particulate matter sensor and clean it gently using compressed air or a soft brush. Dust on this sensor is one of the most common causes of the 0% reading. Also remove the HEPA and carbon filters. If they are dirty or clogged, replace them with official Shark filters. If you replace the filter, reset the filter indicator by holding the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. Always make sure the air intake and output vents are not blocked by furniture, walls or dust buildup. Plug the purifier back in, switch to auto mode and let it run for about 15 to 30 minutes so the sensor can recalibrate. If it still shows 0%, do a factory reset by holding the power plus timer buttons for 10 seconds. Regular monthly sensor cleaning and timely filter replacements help prevent the issue from happening again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.